Lemongrass is one of the best natural plants for excellent health because of its therapeutic characteristics. Boiling lemongrass leaves in water results in a beverage known as lemongrass tea. The beverage is rich in vitamins, calcium, potassium, iron, and calcium. It is advised by nutritionists to frequently consume it to lower cholesterol levels. This video will demonstrate how to use lemongrass tea to remove extra cholesterol from your body. Various studies have indicated that lemongrass extracts can aid in decreasing cholesterol levels in animals. Researchers came to the conclusion that people might be affected similarly as a result of this. Lemongrass tea has dose-dependent effects, thus patients with high cholesterol levels are advised to routinely consume it to lower it. This implies that in order for it to be effective, a high dosage must be consumed. Despite the fact that lemongrass has no negative side effects, it is still advisable to consult your doctor before using any herbal remedies. Overall, it has been demonstrated that this beverage lowers excess cholesterol in the body, therefore, you should include it in your diet.